How to make money online without paying anything. Seriously, if, if you have if you have been wondering how to make money online without paying anything, you have come to the right place. There are load of way to make real money online, but money of the subscription you will come across when you search on Google will require you to pay something upfront, not yet taught. Today, I am going to be sharing how to make money online without paying anything. If that right, not a simple penny. Now, I just want to preface this with a small disclaimer. Not none of this idea are get rich quick solution. All of this way to make money online with required time and effort on your part and if you're quick. I have always known I want to be money. One boast all thought I was a great employee in my rebel opinion. I have never enjoyed going to work to earn money from someone else's business. Fast forward to the end, I have replaced my office computer with a sleek MacBook Pro which I can use sitting on my sofa, and I am the proud owner of three online businesses which give me the money and freedom I have always craved. So, if you are on the fence and you want to make some extra money, I just want to say, God for it, it's 100% possible and anyone can do it. Believe it or not, three actually a ton of different way to the you can make money from the internet. Money of three are small site hosted that you can do part time while others and full from business that you can start and run into something significant. Six, become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is just like a personal assistant or an office assistant, except they work exclusively online. As more and more business move online, business owners are realizing that they don't necessarily need full-time employer. In many cases, a virtual assistant can save a business both time and money and visa and becoming more and more in demand every day. They are hopeful to where you can work online as a virtual assistant. What skill do you need to become a virtual assistant? The good news is almost anyone can become a virtual assistant. The key here is to offer service that take advantage of the skill you already have. If you used to work in an office doing administrative work, then you can easily offer this service as a virtual assistant. Similar, if you have bookkeeping skill or excellent research skill, you could offer this service virtual, virtually to a number of silent. There are a few skills that you should definitely have if you want to make extra money as a virtual assistant. What is a typical virtual assistant seller and what do you need to know? Freelancer virtual assistant sends Upwork $25 per hour for general gigs. You should note that if you decide to get an online job,